Our math lesson for today is about division without any remainder. Our first example is 2 divided by 2. We are going to write it on this form. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, because 1 times 2 equals 2. We are going to subtract them now. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. The next example is 4 divided by 2. We write it in this form. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, because 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract them. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. This will be the next example. 24 divided by 2. We write it in this form. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, because 1 times 2 equals 2. Now subtract them. 2 minus 2 equals 0. The next step is to bring down 4, and we can take 0 out. We can now divide them. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, because 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract them now. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 64 divided by 4. We are going to write it in this form. 6 divided by 4 equals 1, because 1 times 4 equals 4. The answer must be less than 6. The next step is to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. After subtracting them, bring 4 down. We have 24 now. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, because 6 times 4 equals 24. Then we subtract them. 24 minus 24 equals 0. So 64 divided by 4 equals 16. Our next example is 35 divided by 5. First, 3 divided by 5. But it is not possible because 3 is less than 5. So we have to include 5. It will become 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. And 7 must be written on top of 5, because 7 times 5 equals 35. Subtract them now. 35 minus 35 equals 0. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. This time we will try 104 divided by 4. As you can see, 1 is less than 4, so we need to include 0. It will become 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4 equals 2, because 2 times 4 equals 8. Subtract them now. 10 minus 8 equals 2. We can bring 4 down now. It will become 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, because 6 times 4 equals 24. Subtract them now. 24 minus 24 equals 0. So 104 divided by 4 equals 26.